Hi, this is Young Wolf. This is my Tiny Desk concert submission. This is an original song of mine called Embers. All I want is peace of mind as I run through the devastation. And in the distance, embers glow. I'm losing my connection. All my mind is so undone. I'm trying to find the meaning, and a cloud covers up the sun, and I start to get this feeling. There was some kind of fire in this heart of mine, and it's burning out, it's burning out. And all my days spent so lost inside, it's burning out, it's burning out. A struggle in the hearts of men, between the light and the darkness. And often we try to resist, but it holds on to our weakness. The light glows out in the fall, but it's hard for us to see it. And we tell ourselves that we are good, but it's so hard to believe it. There was some kind of fire in this heart of mine, and it's burning out, and it's burning out. And all my days spent so lost inside, it's burning out, it's burning out. Peace of mind as I run through the devastation. And in the distance, embers glow. I'm losing my connection